Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick action pose, as in a figure that is lunging or jumping upward and outward. So if you have your pencils all set, we can draw. So I'm going to start with a line like that. That is the torso. One line going like that, one line going right about here, and that is the shoulder, around of the shoulder or the belt, shoulder, chest, midsection, and according to preference, the head on top. So I'm going to have him go right inward because he's looking down. So oval, and then inside that line for the, let's say, the eyes, nose, and then the arms. It's all a matter of how we would like to place them. I'm going to go like this, and that is the hand. The other hand I haven't decided on. I guess I'm going to go, to go this way. So we are going to draw the figure now, and I put in a bit of the torso right there. There's the other arm. There's a closed fist. Here's the other fist. Now, this is where the focus really is. So I'm just going to first put that down quickly. So there's the chest, and there's the collarbone from that angle. But then he is, as I had said, looking downward. And so according to that, the eyes are somewhere there, the mouth somewhere there, if there is a mouth, depending on what you can use this particular pose for and for which character. So we're going to now go into the thigh here. So it's all bent, and it's showing from an angle that is slightly bent that way. So we're going to show the inner part of the quad. And we go into the thigh here. And it really depends. We can bring it up right here, but my objective was not that. I'm keeping it a little more simple, and I am going with an action. Sort of like that. And now here, because this is bent, there will be some foreshortening involved there, that the foot is like outward and away. And there are many ways to depict this. We are going to pick the easiest one today and work with that. And similarly here, since the leg and the foot, like they are like right in the back there somewhere, we can just go about like so much and show a bit of the foot in the background, and that will actually do it. Now if I were to, let's say, use the same pencil and put in some kind of inks on the sky or some kind of tones, assuming that the light source is coming from above. We could move it like that. So I'm not sure if you want to highlight some like muscle structure there, but I'm keeping it fairly simple. Just adding in the basic elements that you require. And I'm going into the hand there so that I can give this guy some useful hands that he can work with, and I'm working the tone in away from the light source. You see that everything is darkened going downward. Then they're more accurate. And so just playing around with the with the bone and the muscle structure here. Putting in some tones according to what I think would actually work if it was this kind of pose that I'm working with. Again, letting some delts there. And then in the background, as I had said, that we'll have to like tackle that sooner or later. We are going to just use a minimal action to get that perspective thing going, and just go with some fading tones like that. I think it will actually work better. Of course, you can put in all the details that you want, but when you're doing a quick pencil sketch, it is not that essential. And right here, so using that same pencil point again to illustrate how easy it really is, I'm putting in the next thigh structure right around there, and I think that we are pretty much done. So quick action pose, jumping and coming like outward as if like flying in action. So if I were to, let's say, like, I think that this can actually work very well for characters like, you might have guessed it, like perhaps like Spider-Man, and maybe some other more streamlined, more what you call nimble characters, quick characters. So, but jumping characters. It's a jumping pose, so jumping is the watchword here that we have to incorporate into this action, and it's taking that leap at you. Can even work for Batman and a handful of other characters. Please do Google, check out different poses of this kind and have a lot of fun. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.